Good day everyone. In the video, we are covering the 5 best air purifiers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without this buying guide. Now, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Honeywell HPA300. The Honeywell HPA300 is a bulky beast of a device that offers good value for money considering its impressive performance. It's a large oval air purifier with slats all around, making it look like it belongs in the office of a dystopian future. It's also pretty heavy at 17 pounds, so this is the kind of air purifier you won't want to move around once you set it down. A truly powerful device, the HPA300 scored second to the BLUEAIR BLUEPURE 211 Auto on the CADR test, with its 3 filters able to remove most of the pollutants in a large-sized room of 465 square feet. With an average CADR score of 306, it did perform slightly better on dust versus pollen and smoke. It's pretty simple to set up. All you need to do is open the front panel and take the plastic off the included filters. Nicely hidden near the top control panel is also a quick reference guide, so you don't have to go searching for the manual that inevitably goes missing after just a few days. It's not have a wide range of settings and features, but it does offer a timer as well as a dimmer for nighttime use. However, there's no auto mode, which is a shame. Number 2. Our second best pick is Winix 5502. The Winix 5502 performed well, just shy of some of the others on our list. It's the only device to use relatively unheard of plasma wave technology. The premise behind this is that it creates hydroxyls that easily attach to other molecules to neutralize the air faster. It received an average CADR score of 240 as a result, about the same as the Coway Airmega, and would suit rooms up to 360 square feet. If you are someone who needs to see the impact your purifier is having, you're in luck. Included in the design is a light that will glow red, yellow, or green depending on the current air quality. It also includes both auto and night modes to fit your particular needs. Don't expect cheap filter replacements, however. These were on the higher end, costing just under $80 per filter, and you're recommended to change these over every 6 months. Still, this air purifier provides a solid amount of filtration and an autosensor that picks up quite hastily. It's also one of the few devices we tested to come with a remote control, making it easy to program from across the room. Coming only in black, however, it will stand out in any minimally designed room. Adding in its beeps and boops, it's definitely got Star Wars energy. Number 3. Our third best pick is Coway Airmega AP1512HH. There's no denying how much the Coway looks like an iPod Shuffle, but if you don't mind that updated Apple aesthetic, it's a great air purifier. It's got a built-in autosensor, which is a must-have feature for top-of-the-line air purifiers. Without it, you're stuck with your purifier running on the highest speed for the best purification, while building up quite the utility bill. It was also the only purifier we tested that included an eco setting. What this means is that if there is no change in air quality for a specified amount of time, the machine will go into standby mode, saving you countless kilowatts and money on your energy bill. It received an average CADR of 240, with a similar performance across dust, smoke, and pollen, and would suit a room size of 384 square feet. That's quite a strong performance considering its compact design. However, one downside to this purifier is the price of replacing its filter. You're paying a little less than a quarter of the original price, $57.49, to replace the filter every 6 months to 1 year, which isn't ideal. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is BLUEAIR BLUEPURE 211 Auto. Throughout our testing, one cube-shaped air purifier stood out above the rest. The BLUEAIR BLUEPURE 211 Auto dominated the competition. It has the ability to clean the air in a large-sized room while using minimal power and creating very little noise. It might not be as flashy as its more expensive cousin, the HealthProtect 7470i, but it doesn't need the extra expense to get the job done. Designed for large spaces, rooms up to 550 square feet, its average clean air delivery rate, CADR, of 360 for smoke, dust and pollen was the highest of all those we tested. That means it's both fast and efficient at removing pollutants from the air. It's also one of the best looking air purifiers with a unique top grate and sleek pre-filter skirt that takes away a lot of the technological intrusion that other devices have. The white shell also helps it disappear into your decor. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is BLUEAIR BLUEPURE 411 Auto. The petite BLUEAIR BLUEPURE 411 Auto air purifier is a great fit for any small-sized room, suiting up to 190 square feet. It doesn't have the same strength or flair as its two larger siblings, but that doesn't make it any less worthwhile. It's a cute little device and still manages to pack in multiple layers of filtration to keep your air clean. It uses the same simplistic but easy-to-use controls as the 211 Auto, meaning you won't have any trouble trying to set it up or get it going. Just plug it straight into the wall and pick the setting you want by tapping its little noggin. It didn't score as highly in the CADR tests compared to a lot of the other devices, only pulling in an average rating of 109, but it is specifically designed for smaller spaces, so that's not necessarily a bad thing. It might not clear the air out of your whole house, but it should do wonders in small bedrooms or tight spaces. That's all for now. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. That's all for now. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.